This video will go over problem number 2 from homework 40. An employee wants to invest $60,000 in a pension plan, and he has two different plans to choose from. One offers 4% compounded quarterly, while the other offers 3.25% compounded continuously. So let's take a look at each of these. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to call one of them Plan A. And that plan is going to be the one that offers 4% compounded quarterly. And remember, for quarterly, that means n is going to equal to 4, which means we're going to use the equation of A is equal to P to the 1 plus R over N to the NT. And we know A is what we're looking for. We want to see how much money we get. P is going to be our 60,000 that we're going to start off with. We're going to have 1 plus R is our interest rate of 0.04. Remember, that's in decimal form, over 4, all to the 4 times T, and T is 5 years, because we want to know how much it takes in 5 years. All right, we just need to stick this in our calculator. I'm going to just do one small, slight math alteration, and we're going to say that we have 1.01, and then we're going to go that to the 20th power. So I'm going to stick this in my calculator just like this. So our job is to find 60,000 times 1.01 to the nth power of 20. And we can see how much money we have there. So we can see that we're going to have $73,211.40. We're going to subtract our 60,000 because we want to know how much interest we're earning. So which investment will earn more interest? So subtracting, we're going to have 40, 1, 2, 3, 1. So we're getting about $13,000 worth of interest. So let's go take a look at Plan B. For Plan B, this is where we're going to have 3.25% is going to be our interest rate, and it's compounded continuously. So remember that when you have compounded continuously, then we can use the equation A is equal to P to the E RT. So A is what we're looking for. P is our 60,000. E to the R, our interest rate, is still going to be in decimal form, so 0.325. And then T is still going to be our 5 years. So let's just do a little bit of math. We're going to have 60,000. We're going to have E, and then I'm going to multiply that times 5 and get 0.1625. So this is what I'm going to stick in my calculator so we can see what we get for a value of A. So we can see that we have $70,586.90. And from that, we're going to subtract our 60,000. Again, remember, we're trying to find the interest. So we're going to have 96,850.01. So the question for part A says, which investment will earn more interest? In the 5 years, we can see that Plan A will do that. Now let's go to Plan B that says how much more will the better plan earn? And we can just see that we have to subtract our $13,211.40, and we're going to subtract our $10,586.90. And I'll leave you to do the math for that and answer part B. That concludes this video.